In a beaker, bring the recrystallization solvent to a strong boil. Be sure to include boiling stones to avoid bumping. Turn down the hot plate temperature setting to maintain a controlled boil. Do not heat the impure solid on the hot plate without first adding solvent. This will prevent the solid from melting and forming an oil. Wait for the solvent in the recrystallization flask to come to a boil. Using a pasture pipette, transfer small portions of boiling solvent onto the partially dissolved impure solid. Confirm the solvent is still boiling, then repeat this process of addition. Swirl the contents of the flask with each solvent addition, and periodically check to see if all the solid has dissolved. How do you know when to stop adding boiling solvent? When the minimum amount of solvent has been added to fully dissolve all of the impure solid. At this point, remove the flask from the heat, place it on an insulated surface to cool slowly, covered to avoid contamination.